Allen, aka the Black Spaniard still.
Yes, sir.
2013 in Trinidad Carnival, and this song doing some good damage. Actually doing real damage. Which other artist songs for this carnival are you liking?
Right now, of course, Fairlines, of course.
Right.
Super Blue, of course. Blacks, and I really want to extend a special Blacks really getting on this year. I trust me, man. Boom bang. Brother Problem Child, you understand?
Right.
In through the gates. K-Rich.
K-Rich.
Yes, sir. K-Rich is bubbling nice. He's bubbling very nice. You know, and well, I'm not too in tune with the radio right now because Momentum is studio show, so I'm not in touch with everything what's going on right because I know it have some others that really bang in, you understand? But I mean, I ain't get to grab onto them.
Alright. You think the whole island pop movement will stick, will break through to the mainstream to get the mass, like to appeal to the masses outside of the Caribbean?
Well, what happens is the way the world is turning right now, and what the wider world is opening to. Now it's different different parts of the hemisphere we're dealing with, right?
Yeah.
It's according to where you're talking about. That North American region, I could basically say it on TV straight and plain talk, no disrespect to nobody. But that is an area for soca artists to get clean right now.
Right.
Because the European side of the world is, I'm talking about these people, minds and hearts, we're wide open for what we have to offer in all different forms and variation. Hence why soca music is so big in France and they all know. That's why Calypso Rose and them, they don't even need to record a song, but they do sell out concerts in France, in Denmark and places like that. Right? With the island pop, I don't think that whoever the creators or the facilitators should stop it.
Right.
It is going to transcend itself into something else onto another plane, so we just have to keep pushing. All the different sub-genres of our genre, we just need to keep pushing.
Alright. What's one of your favorite bets for carnival season that you enjoy? Partying in or performing in?
Tribe Ice.
Tribe Ice?
Tribe Ignite. Well, I'm playing in Tribe too, but I want a song bias. But Girl Power.
Girl Power.
Ladies First. I love the atmosphere of soca on that backstage. Vibes.
Right, 2 more questions to go. Rapper Trinidad J. How important is our culture? And do you think that you'd like to work with him?
Well, where our culture is concerned and what he's doing is two different things. Yes, they're still tied because, of course, Trinidad and Tobago follow hip hop.
Right.
We follow all genres of music.
Right.
A lot of people, have different opinions on what you have to offer, but and then they have more opinions to offer when he was signed.
Yeah.
But then when
so he's signed now?
He's signed to Def Jam.
All right.
But when you see something like that happen, it means that everybody needs to take a look at themselves and realize, well, so then what it is we really like, does it make what it is we doesn't like, what it is, and them kind of vibes now.
Right.
As you're saying as an artist to work with, well, that's left to be seen. I don't really handpick artists that I want to work with. I just leave it and say, if something is happening, it will happen,
All right.
Yeah.
And the last question, when you're on the road Carnival Monday and Tuesday, big bumper or small bumper to wine on?
All bumper to wine on, all bumper.
I want to give the fans a taste of the biggest tune right now for the 2013 season. Trust me, it is big.
Check. Look how the sun now raising up and the crowd now waking up. I said the atmosphere have vibes and nothing can break it up, Lord. The girl them a wine non-stop. We had the drinks them in a my cup. We ain't gonna party all night. Hey, 24 parties we hit in a row. Tonight at the very last show. Before we head out on the road, where the girl them a release the load. So let me say your hands up, so everybody know put your hands up, so Trini Jungle Juice so rather make the whole world know. We're ready for the road. This is Bunchy Garland, the Viking of soca, aggressive mitochondria. We're ready for the